Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open and close the Honda Odyssey side doors easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, these are some of the controls for the side doors. I'm going to show you how to open and close them easily. So we have essentially 3 options for opening and closing the side door. Actually 4 options now that I think about it. I just remembered a 4th option. Okay, so the first option is the handle itself. So you're going to go on the side door. This is the side door of the van. You're going to pull the handle. You just need to pull it gently. You don't actually need to really pull it out. Just like a gentle pull is enough to allow it to open or close. So if it's closed and you pull the handle, it's going to open, and if it's open and you pull the handle, it will close. Okay. In addition, you can see right here on the panel over here of the van where the side door. So this is the side door right over here. It's opened up, and if I go right over here on this pillar, you can see I can open and close it from here as well. So I'm going to just hold down the close button, and I'm going to get out of the way. And as you can see, you can open and close it that way as well. And this goes with both sides, obviously. The third way, and just take off my keys, the third way is to use your key fob, so I can open and close either of the doors. So you kind of hold it in the direction of the van. That's how you know the orientation of which door is which button. So this door right here is going to be this button over here because that's the front of the van. I'm going to hold this down, and you know what? I think because it started, I can't do that. But when the van has not, when it's not started, I can do that. So yeah, that's another option, like I said. But I think because it started, I can't do that. But I always use that option, so I know it works. Trust me. Okay. And lastly, you do have the option over here. Sorry about that. You do have the option over here for either door, so I can open or close either door. I'm just going to open this one closest to me over here. I held it down for a brief moment. It's opening up. And you can also close it as well. Just hold it down for just like half a second, and as you can see, it's now closing as well. And that's essentially it. Those are the 4 options for opening and closing the side doors of a Honda Odyssey van. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.